Although Kamara's photography services cover a multitude of genres, we specialise in providing quality photographic services through our experienced photographers. We work with forward-thinking Lincolnshire business owners and managers who are looking to make an impact in their industry sector and for whom value is more important than price. We provide international experience to local businesses and have worked for many international household brands. Brands such as Hotpoint, Harley-Davidson and Emirates Airlines, and we solve the problem of making your product or service stand out from your competitors through understanding your brand and your goals. And we provide top quality images that will work for you. And we invest heavily in ensuring our marketing knowledge is current in order to provide the best advice on the use of all these digital media assets. And through our experience with working with these big name brands, we understand the importance of consistency in strengthening your brand and how everything needs to tie together. We ensure that our photography assets dovetail into your strategy and are delivered in a format that is most suitable for the agreed use. We also have access to retouchers and designers who can help pull everything together if you don't have the capacity in-house. We draw on the right designers for your business. There's no point in using a top designer to do a basic job, and we also understand that sometimes a basic job is what's required. These designers also work from entry level right through to international blue chip companies. So if you would like to see some examples of their work, simply ask. Although we specialise in industry, transport, general lumber bank business and construction, we can provide regular progress coverage for construction projects, including time-lapse, plain pack and product shots, advertising style images and general press and PR shots. Shots for company reports, corporate headshots, real estate, engineering and corporate events. And we have our own studio in Lincoln. If you're looking for a quick snapshot of your product or service, we're probably not the right fit for you. Our clients have discussed their business with us, in total confidentiality of course, and shared their vision. We have established how Kamara's photography services can help them to meet their strategic goals. And we do this often alongside our video and drone services. Our clients will typically have established how we can be a valuable long-term asset to their business.